Hey, good day to you. This is Rain, founder of Forex 100. So today on the weekly market analysis, let's look at euro dollar. On the daily chart, what we see over here is a uptrend movement. Despite the strong bearish movement, we can see that the support stands still on the previous support level. All right, it respected it and it's rebound. Something to take note for longer term traders. Down to the 4-hour chart, this is what we have moving into a sideway bounce trading opportunity, which is one of my favorite. Here is the support line and this is the resistance level. To the 1-hour chart, this is what we have on the 1-hour chart. So harmonic pattern traders or structure traders can wait for a trading opportunity somewhere around 1.0690. That is for structure based trader, and harmonic pattern traders, it really depends on you are looking for a buying or shorting setup. Scan this QR code, it will bring you to our Discord channel that it will look something like this. You can click the Traders Cafe under the information where you click the pin messages over here. Click here to redeem your free training. So over here in our Discord community, you get to see our trading ideas as well over here under the trade floor. This is where myself and my students will be posting our findings on some of the trading setup. And of course, if you want to access to my personal trading ideas with entry, stops and targets, then that's under trading ideas. You have to drop me a message and I will guide you through. All right, so to our students portal over here, once you have registered yourself, click the dashboards, or you can just access the course training directly. But by clicking the dashboard, you will get an invitation to our Telegram broadcast channel if you'd like to join our Telegram broadcast channel to receive my memo, or if you scroll down further to access our free training right away. In this free training, you are able to learn how to trade as well as to understand and able to identify trends by yourself the professional manner. Additionally, you'll also get to execute some of the trading strategies you can use offhand. If you scroll down further, you have an idea on the kind of trades that we are looking for. The kind of trades we are particularly interested on are those that give us a 2-1 ratio, because by having that, it significantly reduces the level of stress when we engage a trade, and that is provided that you do not overtrade as well. So by having 40% accuracy rate, you will be profitable, and with just 40% you can be profitable if you manage your risk well. All right, so if you love this kind of trading, that you are not focusing on the number of times you're correct, because basically you can't do that in terms of investment or in any forms of trading or even business deal. The way to profit from this entire system in a long run, in a sensible way, or a less stress-free way, stress-free manner, or less stress situation, is to look for trades that only offers you a 2-1 ratio. All right, think about it. If you love this kind of coaching and teaching or trading methods, drop me a note. We will see if you're ready to get coached. All right, so back to our analysis over here. So our daily chart, let me share with you my analysis. A bullish shark pattern has been bouncing here and there. It has not even reached our first target, but it has been bouncing up and down. For a situation like this, traders have to take note of 1.0736. all right, so I know that your target might be at 1.0780. that is about 40 over pips away, but I am all in for following the rules and setting your targets as it is. But when we see that there is a strong rejection and we have a second chance entry or retest of the same level, this is where we have to be extremely careful. At the minimum, when you reach this level or even at this level, because you have retest a couple of times. All right, and in addition, there is a profits of 150 pips. All right, should it reach this level, all right, you can shift your stops to entry. Even you can do it right now because the latest retest, you have touched the level already. Okay, this is the situation you can do that. In the lower time frame, you have to be very careful where you shift it, because if you shift it too early, you get stop out entry, then you might just miss the trade as well. Down to the 4-hour chart, this is something that you can look at for 4 hours traders, you can wait for 1.0745 or 1.0531 for a trading opportunity. Of course, on the red line, I'm looking to sell. Blue line, I'm looking to buy. That's what I call it a sideway bounce trading setup. Okay, so of course, I am more inclined to buy at 1.0531 because of a bigger picture on the daily chart where we have this shark pattern, bullish shark pattern, moving in that direction. To the 1 hour chart, nothing much apart from traders who are looking to short the market for whatever reason. It could be as simple as you are counter trend traders, you are waiting for a trading strategy, or you are a avid bet pattern trader. I just want to say that this is not your normal bet pattern. This is what we call a FIP3 bet. You shouldn't mix these two together until you are familiar with the setup. So one of the main difference of FIP3 bet is that you need to see a candlesticks confirmation before you can engage, because some of the bet pattern traders, they will engage aggressively by setting a sell limit at 1.0742, which is something that I no longer do for many years because I want to see how the market reacts over here, and because I'm trading off the higher time frame, higher than most traders out there, 1 hour chart, which means once I receive the alerts, I got 2 to 3 hours to react to it because I have to wait for the next candle and the next candle confirmation. And personally, I like to wait for the retest. That means once the confirmation is done, I wait for a retest. So if you can think about it, when I receive the first alert, the action the earliest I can do is, let's say the next candle gives me a signal of reversing, next one confirms it, the next one came back up, that's 3 hours. So at least there's 3 to 4 hours for me to react to it. So there's no rush at all, correct? It's not like, even if you're having a job, it's not like you have to step aside, rush to somewhere remote and to secretly enter the trade, correct? You have enough time to react. And even before I engage a trade, I know where is my stop loss, I know where is my target profits. Once I receive these first alerts, I got 3 to 4 hours to plot out my actual stop loss and my target profits. Target profits are fixed, right? It's the stop loss thing, because of our formula, you have to wait for the final confirmation before you can know the actual stop loss. But if you're experienced enough, or you're my students, you know a way to get by, to get a rough estimation. That's not saying that you do not need to do the adjustment, but it gives you a good idea whether your second target offers you a 2-1 ratio. That's a bit of things on how we trade. If you love this kind of stuff, you want to get coached by myself, drop me a note. We will see if you're ready to be coached before we accept you as our students. Take care.